Florida's sun-drenched orchards yield the finest Sapodilla. Skilled hands carefully select the finest Sapodilla fruits, ensuring optimal ripeness. From the orchards of Florida, Sapodillas are carefully collected for the next stage of their journey. Precise automation guides each pallet, ensuring seamless flow into processing. From delivery, the raw fruit embarks on its transformative journey through our facility. A colossal washing vortex cleans Sapodilla fruits, ensuring pristine quality. Advanced systems precisely remove all orchard debris. The continuous flow ensures every fruit is thoroughly cleaned. Automated systems ensure consistent and hygienic fruit preparation. Pristine Sapodillas emerge, ready for the next stage of production. Every Sapodilla receives thorough sanitization, preparing it for market. The final rinse delivers immaculate Sapodillas, gleaming and ready. The sanitized fruits gleam, pristine and ready for further processing. Advanced robotics ensure each Sapodilla is perfectly positioned for the next stage of transformation. Precision lasers engage, delicately incising the skin with incredible accuracy. The outer skin is meticulously stripped away, revealing the pristine, grainy flesh beneath. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The colossal peeling carousel orchestrates an intricate dance of technology and fruit. Water jets and laser arrays work in perfect synchronicity for optimal peeling. From rough exterior to perfect smoothness, the transformation is a testament to automation. Each discarded skin is a testament to the efficient precision of modern machinery. Through a blur of speed and light, thousands of Sapodillas are transformed. The heart of automated perfection, this carousel processes thousands with unparalleled speed. From the automated peeling hall, the journey continues for the flawlessly prepared sapodilla. Peeled sapodilla fruits now enter the colossal de-seeder, ready for transformation. Powerful centrifugal forces within the de-seeder prepare the fruit for precision slicing. Precision engineering separates the hard, glossy seeds, ejected through dedicated chutes. The gigantic de-seeder hums with immense power, silently processing each fruit. Advanced blades meticulously slice the sapodilla, ensuring optimal de-seeding. Pure, pristine sapodilla flesh emerges, a testament to the de-seeder's efficiency. Sophisticated controls ensure precise operation, optimizing every step of the de-seeding. Hidden mechanisms within churn with immense power, transforming the fruit with speed. The de-seeding complete, pure fruit flesh now moves on to the next stage of production. Colossal machines begin transforming sapodilla fruit into a rich, flavorful pulp. The mighty macerators activate, their colossal blades tirelessly working to extract pure sapodilla essence. Through advanced processing, the sapodilla's rich essence is meticulously extracted. From robust fruit to refined pulp, every stage is precisely controlled. Precision engineering ensures a consistent, high-quality sapodilla pulp. Watch as the raw fruit undergoes a dramatic transformation into a smooth, ready-to-use pulp. Advanced robotics ensure flawless feeding of sapodilla into the powerful macerators. The continuous flow of rich sapodilla pulp marks the successful completion of this critical stage. Advanced filtration systems ensure the sapodilla pulp achieves ultimate purity. The pulp extraction zone operates with relentless precision, ensuring peak efficiency. Colossal pipes transport the sapodilla pulp to towering tanks. Automated systems initiate the delicate blending process. The Sapodilla pulp transforms, achieving a flawless, uniform consistency. The smooth, consistent pulp is now prepared for the final stages. Robotic arms guide the processed pulp with unparalleled precision. High-speed centrifugal pumps ensure continuous flow, preventing stagnation. Advanced filtration systems ensure ultimate purity before packaging. The homogenization process culminates in a product of unmatched quality. Each batch maintains identical, high-quality standards. Vast networks of pipes purify the Sapodilla pulp with precision. Controlled heat exchangers ensure optimal purification and safety. Advanced control panels manage every aspect of the pasteurization process. Precision temperature control ensures perfect product consistency. Through advanced automation, purity and quality are paramount. The continuous flow of pure Sapodilla pulp, a testament to modern processing. The pasteurized pulp now enters colossal, climate-controlled silos for storage. Precision robotic arms automatically extract pulp samples for quality analysis. Inside, vast quantities of pulp await the next stage of production. The sample enters an advanced analytical machine for thorough examination. Multiple robotic systems work in unison, ensuring continuous operation and precision. Inside these colossal vessels, tons of precious pulp are safely preserved. Upon completing its cycle, the robotic arm returns to its docking station. The finished pulp is precisely dispensed, ready for its next processing stage. Thousands of sterilized cans begin their journey, guided by automated precision into the heart of the canning line. The heart of the operation, filling stations, where thousands of cans are precisely filled with rich Sapodilla pulp. Robotic arms swiftly place lids on thousands of cans, a testament to speed and precision. The journey continues as newly sealed cans race along the line, undergoing final inspection and preparation. The entire canning line is a complex, synchronized marvel, a dance of modern engineering. From raw fruit to finished product, every can embodies the precision and care of modern manufacturing. In the robotic packaging zone, automation ensures precision and speed. Robotic arms move with fluid grace, stacking cases onto pallets with perfect geometry. The automated system ensures every product is perfectly positioned for distribution. Human intervention is minimized, ensuring unparalleled efficiency and consistency. Each pallet is a testament to robotic precision and industrial efficiency. Finished pallets are swiftly prepared for dispatch, maintaining peak operational flow. AGVs navigate the vast warehouse, ensuring efficient product flow. Automated systems ensure flawless delivery to every storage bay. The warehouse is a symphony of automated efficiency. Each pallet finds its designated place with perfect accuracy. The heart of modern logistics beats here. Lights guide the way in this dark, efficient expanse. The silent guardians of production ensure constant readiness. The vast warehouse fades, signifying the end of the production journey.